Beautiful day for a bike ride. Legs are smashed from the intervals yesterday. Meeting Chris, toasty day. It's like 30 degrees.
When you were playing that record, what were you thinking?
How you doing?
Should we ride a bike? Like, really slowly?
Yeah.
Because neither of us could be asked.
I'm well up for that.
Like, small ring only, slowly. Slow down?
Yeah, slow down. Can't do that. Can't do it.
2 meters apart.
Yeah.
Too big.
You buying a bike?
I want this.
We just came for coffee, mate.
That is too big for you anyway.
I think it's a bit big, isn't it? It's really nice.
Times are changing, mate.
Yeah.
We're all getting into mountain biking.
Gravel bike's going.
Can we just get rid of the frame and get a smaller frame and then keep everything else?
Just chop it there.
Yeah, just chop the
And I'll
frame.
put it together a bit.
Carbon bike repair. So what's the deal? We're all going to get mountain bikes.
Yeah.
You already got one.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we're going
gonna
to
mountain
go
bike.
Peace Lake.
Yeah. Done. Show you some proper riding.
This is XTR. That's what I'm going to have on my... Ooh. Brakes with the water inside. Have you seen these things, Chris? They're called expansions.
Expansions, alright. What do they do?
You pull up on them
Yeah.
and you do a backflip.
Shifters, these look so tiny.
But they stop you so much better.
What, than road
Than road
anything?
ones. Yeah, road anything. Yeah. Right, we'll get mountain bikes then.
Yeah,
That's sorted.
Deal. Productive meeting. Quick spin back. Legs are absolutely mullered after yesterday, so no big ride today. I blame Tobias. You want more guitar stuff in the videos? Your wish is my command. My command? Is that the saying? So the next segment of today's video involves what's in this bag. Because I've got to carry loads of stuff with me, I'm going to teleport there. Welcome to Paul Davies' guitar studio.
Long time no see.
Mate, it's been a long time. So, Paul, you used to be my guitar teacher. How many lessons did I have?
Not
that many.
for the way you play.
I was a terrible student, but you were a fantastic teacher.
Just did it on his own, basically.
No, I don't think that was the case. You taught me a lot. We're here with my guitar, 61 Strat, a host of different amplifiers and stuff, and you're starting a YouTube channel, so
Yes,
we're doing a collaboration.
That is the plan. Francis is teaching me how to do that bit. He's teacher today. Got the old 56 reissue
There you go.
for a little bit of a niddly noodle. Unnecessarily loud.
Sounds nice, man. Sounds nice. I'm going to record a little bit on this microphone, see how it comes out. Because the volumes are so loud in here, we might have to use some of the soundboard audio. Is that what it's called? I don't even know. The mixing desk, yeah. The mixing desk. Oh, I have no idea. Yeah, we're just going to have a jam, play some blues, play some whatever country. Do we have to? We'll just play.
We'll probably
I'm going to play blues on top of country chords, and we'll see.
That's it.
Yeah.
standing on a chair behind his head. Next time.
Mate, I think we sounded pro.
Well, I think I sounded pretty good, but you did alright actually.
Oh, thank you.
Go shit, that was good. Thanks, Francis.
See you soon.
Take care, mate.
So, successful mission and good to catch up with Paul. It's a beautiful day now. So, we're going to go to the shops. My turn to go in the supermarket as well. This is the hottest car in the world.
In the whole world.
I haven't got my seatbelt on yet. So we procrastinate so much when it comes to going shopping because neither of us like going in the shop. I don't know why we don't just do a click and collect. I guess we don't end up doing it because it requires pre-planning. Not our strong point.
Yeah, but it's your turn today.
Yeah, it's my turn.
That's my favourite time. Had quite a lot of nice viewers pop in and say hello recently at work, which has been nice. So thanks to everyone that's said hi. At the weekends I definitely get a few people being like, ooh, it's Daisy. Everyone's been really nice, so thanks. Just say hello. Francis told me to vlog. Oh, I know what I want to say. I want to say congratulations to Jess and George because they have now announced that they are engaged. We secretly knew before, but it's so exciting. So you guys should watch Bun and Beard and go send them congratulations. But there is bad news to it in the fact that Jess is now not riding with the Internationals. That got cancelled. So it's quite sad, but with sad news comes good news in that they're gonna get married. So Francis, just saying.
We're dressed the same today.
Don't think that's a good thing.
Am I dressed like a girl?
Nah, I'm just a boy.
I got that for me.
It's for me. Daniel.
Need a bin for my drink. Need a bin for my drink. So I'm going to sign today's video off here. That was a super fun day. So good to catch up with Paul and actually play guitar with someone who's not just me in my front room. I need to crack down and do some editing. I really hope you enjoyed today's mixed bag of content. Please leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.